Mopar time here, 1963. Plymouth Belvedere. Two-door post. Nice looking car. This car was actually restored just 8 years ago. Frame off restoration, and it shows. Paint is very nice on it. When the restoration was done, chrome was all replaced. So we have some nice bright work, nice chrome on this vehicle. Now, real quick, I want to let you know to go look at the still pictures. If you want to see still pictures of this car so you can look at the underside, the interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And, of course, you can call us, too, 507-386-1726. See, the paint is, again, very nice shape on this car. According to the previous owner, this was a very solid car to begin with. That was one of the reasons he chose this one for the restoration. It was very solid, as you can see, right on the steel wheels. Wheel covers, radial tires. Now, red on red combination. So you have the front bench seat, shifter on the column. As far as transmission, it has the A518 automatic. So it's a 4-speed automatic transmission, and it does have the converter lockup on it too. There's a switch underneath the dash. Got any questions about that? Check with the sales consultant when you call in. We can explain that to you. The A518, similar to 727, only very economical transmission. It run lower RPMs and also be better on the engine running those lower RPMs and fuel savings also. Anyway, now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. And again, I can't remember, it says 440 underneath the hood. I don't know if I said that earlier. 440 teamed up with that A518 automatic transmission. Nice part about this car, also has AC, so it does have vintage air installed in it. Very tastefully done too, as far as the controls on the interior of the car with the radio and the AC controls. I'm going to show you that when we fire this car up, and we'll check out the interior also. And again, you can come around to the back, see the chrome back here also. Bright work, also in nice shape. This car will turn some heads, no doubt about that. Any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. This one will get you noticed. And as you can see, the dash remained pretty much stock, with the exception of that tack that's added. And then I'm going to show you how they plumbed in the AC vents and the stereo. Now this car, as far as the rear end, real quick, full posi rear end. 390 gears in it. It's an 8 3/4 rear. So wanted to let you know about that. So full posi, 8 3/4 rear end, 390 gears in it. All right. Door panels, everything's done nicely on this interior also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. One thing technicians did note, speedometer was in-op. Other than that, the alternator seems to work, fuel gauge seems to work. Stereo obviously works. See how easily that starts. 440. Now, here's how there's your vintage AC controls and also stereo controls. Speaker being right behind here is the speaker that's being used, and then there was two installed in the trunk behind the seat that you can see in the still pictures. Here, that 440 sounds good. Mild cam to it. Slip around back so you can hear the rumble. Good sound at 440. This car's kind of got that drag car look to it, sound and feel. I'm going to go up to the front here. I want to pause this a second and pop this hood for you so you can check out that engine bay. Alright, here we go. There's the 440 V8. And again, paired to that A518 automatic transmission, 4-speed automatic. There's your vintage AC compressor. And it does work. They do blow cold. I don't have it right on now, so the clutch is not engaged. Nice, tidy engine compartment too. Well, again, with only being restored 8 years ago, you'd expect it to be in this nice of shape. So there you go. If you're looking for a 1963 Plymouth Belvedere 440, nice looking muscle car, here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That will take you right to the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.